Hello everyone! So if you want to fix the call issue on your Redmi Note 13, if your incoming or outgoing calls keeps dropping, so here are a few ways of fixing it. So first of all, go to your settings, go to your about phone section and make sure that your phone is up to date. If there are any updates, install them. Now let's go to our applications. Apps, here they are. System app settings, find your phone, and in your phone you're to clear your cache. So advanced settings, actually you can do it differently. So press manage apps, find your phone here it is, and simply clear data. Press clear data here at the bottom, press clear cache. Now go back to your settings, choose your mobile networks, choose your SIM card which you are using, press mobile networks, turn this option off, press next, press OK, give it a few seconds to load up, and now turn this option back on. As you see, it got back on automatically. Now I recommend you to reboot your phone. So simply hold your power button, press reboot, and that's it. If the problem still persists, I recommend you visiting your local service center. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.